Astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope have succeeded in detecting the most distant organic molecules known in the universe. This is the first time complex molecules have been found in the distant universe. These complex molecules were found in a galaxy called SBT 0418-47, located at a distance of more than 12 billion light-years. Given that the universe is approximately 13.7 billion years old, this galaxy is extremely old. The structure, which resembles a cosmic smoke ring, reveals the presence of complex organic molecules similar to smoke or smog. This discovery provides information about the chemical interactions that occurred in the earliest galaxies and their relationship to star formation on Earth. These molecules, known as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, are found in smoke, soot, smog, engine exhaust, and forest fires. Organic molecules are based on carbon, which is considered one of the building blocks of life, as it is an essential element in the amino acids that make up proteins. Light from this dusty galaxy began its journey across the cosmos when the universe was less than 1.5 billion years old, which is only 10% of its current age of 13.8 billion years. Using the James Webb Telescope's infinite capabilities, which can detect light invisible to the human eye and penetrate cosmic dust, new details about the galaxy were captured. In addition, the Space Observatory benefits from a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing. This phenomenon occurs when two galaxies are almost perfectly aligned from our perspective on Earth, causing the light from the background galaxy to be deformed and magnified as it passes near the foreground galaxy, forming a ring known as an Einstein ring. Gravitational lensing was originally predicted by Albert Einstein in his theory of relativity. Thanks to this increase in magnification, we can observe in detail the components of a galaxy in the early universe that we could not otherwise see. During a thorough analysis of the data from the Webb telescope, astronomers detected the signature of organic molecules in an unexpected way. This surprising discovery is helping astronomers answer some of the most fundamental questions about the origin of the universe. It is amazing that scientists can identify molecules located billions of light-years away that are similar to those we know here on Earth, but are often associated with undesirable forms such as smog or smoke. Since its launch, the James Webb Telescope has been renowned for its observation of miles of colossal galaxies. Now the James Webb Telescope has made shocking new discoveries that could completely change our understanding and require a thorough overhaul of all our cosmological theories. These groundbreaking discoveries could have a significant impact on our current knowledge, continuing a series of discoveries that question the Big Bang. The James Webb Space Telescope has found the most distant cluster of galaxies ever observed at a distance of 30 billion light-years. According to the researchers, this cluster is possibly one of the largest in the universe today. Although the 7 galaxies that make up the cluster had previously been observed with the Hubble Space Telescope, scientists did not have precise information about their distance or whether they were actually bound together as a group. Because of the time it takes light to travel from these distant objects to the position of the JWST in orbit around the Sun, we are observing these galaxies as they were approximately 650 million years after the Big Bang. The present form in which we see the protocluster gives the impression of being small. However, if we could observe it instantaneously without the limitation of the speed of light, it would most likely appear colossal, capable of exerting a gravitational pull on thousands of galaxies. Simulations by researchers suggest that this protocluster could be one of the largest clusters in the universe today. Recently, the JWST also made a surprising discovery when it found a tiny galaxy that existed 13 billion light-years ago and has been developing stars at an exceptionally high rate relative to its tiny size. This is believed to be the smallest galaxy ever discovered at this distance, approximately 500 million years after the Big Bang. In a groundbreaking finding, a team of researchers from the University of Minnesota used the JWST to peer more than 13 billion years into the past and discovered an extraordinarily tiny galaxy that has been developing stars at an extremely fast rate given its dimensions. This tiny galaxy is one of the smallest ever discovered at this distance, just after the initial explosion of the universe, and has the potential to help astronomers better understand galaxies that existed millions of years ago. This galaxy is beyond the capability of all telescopes except the James Webb, and the first observations of this distant galaxy are truly impressive, said Patrick Kelly, lead author of this study. Although the galaxy is about 1/millionth the volume of the Milky Way, it is amazing that it continues to form the same number of stars each year.